If you don't like late-night heartburn but still enjoy a good meal, then it's time to rethink your dinner schedule. Let's explore why moving dinner to 5 p.m. could be a win-win. Imagine this. You finish dinner by 5 p.m., have time for a relaxing walk, and avoid those late-night cravings. Sounds great, right? Well, studies show that eating dinner early can prevent heartburn, help you make healthier food choices, and even lower your risk of disease. Eating 3 to 4 hours before bedtime aids digestion and reduces the likelihood of acid reflux. Plus, it allows you to enjoy a post-dinner stroll, which further aids digestion. But that's not all. An early dinner can regulate insulin levels, aiding in weight management and reducing the risk of obesity and diabetes. And let's not forget, having dinner early gives you more time for quality moments with family and friends. So why not give the 5 p.m. dinner a try? Your body and your loved ones might thank you for it. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy. Share this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.